Most people work hard every single day, yet at the end of the month, they still feel stressed about money. They save when they can, they earn more than before, and still something feels missing. The problem isn't that they don't make enough money at S, that no one ever taught them how money actually works. Saving and investing sound like rich people topics, but the truth is, they are survival skills. Inflation quietly eats your money, emergencies show up without warning, and years pass before you realize you're working just as hard but getting nowhere. If you've ever wondered why your bank balance never seems to grow, or why financial freedom feels so far away, this video is for you. In this video, we're going to break down saving and investment in the simplest, most practical way possible. No complicated finance terms, no get-rich-quick promises, and no pressure to already be an expert. Whether you're just starting your career, living paycheck to paycheck, or trying to figure out what to do with the little money you managed to save, this video will give you clarity. We'll talk about why saving alone is not enough, how investing actually works, and how small, consistent decisions can completely change your financial future over time. By the end of this video, you won't just understand money better, you'll know exactly what steps to take next so your money starts working for you, instead of you always working. Before we talk about saving or investing, we need to understand one important truth. Money is a tool, not a goal. Earning money is only the first step, but what you do with that money decides your future. Many people confuse income with wealth, but they are not the same. You can earn a high salary and still struggle financially if you don't manage it well, while someone with a modest income can build long-term stability by making smart decisions. Saving is about protecting your money, while investing is about growing it. If you only save, your money stays safe but doesn't grow fast enough to beat inflation. Over time, the cost of living increases, and the same amount of money buys less than it did before. This is why simply keeping money in a regular savings account can slowly make you poorer in real terms, even though the number in your bank account looks the same. Saving, however, is still very important because it gives you security and peace of mind. The first goal of saving is to build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Medical expenses, job loss, repairs, or family emergencies can appear without warning. An emergency fund protects you from going into debt during these moments. Ideally, this fund should cover 3 to 6 months of your basic living expenses and should be kept in a safe and easily accessible place, like a savings account. Saving also becomes easier when it is automatic. Instead of saving whatever is left at the end of the month, you pay yourself first by setting aside a fixed amount as soon as you receive your income. Simple rules like dividing your income into needs, wants, and savings can help create balance. As we come to the end of this video, remember that building wealth is not about luck, intelligence, or having a lot of money to start with. It's about consistency and patience. Saving and investing are not one-time decisions. They are habits you build over time. You don't need to change your entire life today, but you do need to take the first small step. Whether that step is saving a small amount from your next paycheck, tracking where your money goes, or learning more about a simple investment option, what matters is starting. Time is your biggest advantage, and the earlier you begin, the more powerful your money becomes. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight, but every smart decision you make today creates a better, more secure future for yourself and your family. If this video helped you understand money a little better, take action now. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because it never comes. Start where you are, use what you have, and stay consistent. Your future self will thank you for it.